Sheikh, for the past couple of months, I was struggling with the continuous doubts regarding my Islam and was frequently repeating the Shahada due to whispers that maybe I have committed Kuffer. Now, with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I have improved. And now I ignore every intrusive thought which crosses my mind and also the thoughts which comes after doing any task and ibadah. However, I still feel uneasy, wondering whether I am doing the right thing, as the thoughts I ignore are often severe and related to the pillars of Iman and Aqidah. Like I get doubts of feeling that I have not any conviction. So I seek your clarification on this matter. Barakallahu feek.
Ibrahim, I have one question for you. When you repeat the Shahada and ponder upon these whispers, is Shaitan happy and pleased?
Yes.
And when Shaitan is happy and pleased, who is angry?
Allah.
Are you fine with this?
No.
In this case, what you're doing is the right thing. Ignore totally, because your Islam is certain and it is the default. I cannot get you out of Islam without certainty and proof and evidence that you have committed kufr, which you will never ever prove. This fear in you is the biggest proof that you are a Muslim and you love Allah, you love the Quran, you love Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. So ignore these thoughts totally and disregard them.